I'll share to you everyone. Share ko na lang dito. I'm planning to make different videos for it. Maybe I will make separate video for that one later on also. Para mas clear siya. You know, this rice coffee, it helps me a lot with my sleep. When I was drinking coffee, nung bata pa, nakakatulog pa ako at night, tapos in the afternoon. But this time, when you're turning old, when you reach 40 above, from my own experience only, not for everyone daw, hindi ako nakakatulog. Like, at the same time, I pee a lot. Every time I drink coffee, I pee a lot. Like, every 30 minutes, something like that, especially at night. So, I have less sleep, restless sleep, and then I wake up early in the morning, like every 30 minutes. So, basically, I don't have much sleep. So, before, that's why every time I have black eye bags, parang alam mo yung wala akong tulog palagi. But since I drink this rice coffee, I see a lot of changes. So now